Welcome to Torun. Today we will introduce an acrylic glove box. There are mainly two types of Torun acrylic glove box, Type A and Type B. Type A does not have an antechamber. It only has a main chamber. The main chamber cannot be vacuumed. The pressure of the main box is positive and negative 1000 PAC. Type B has an antechamber. The antechamber of Type B can be vacuumed. The main box of Type B cannot be vacuumed either. The pressure of the main chamber is positive and negative 1000 Pa. The pressure of antechamber is negative 0.1 megapascal. Now let's take a look at this one. It's a Type B glove box. It has an antechamber. Its size is 5B. It's the middle one of all acrylic glove boxes. Its model number is EG5B. Now let's look at it as a whole. It's made up of a main cabinet, an antechamber and a side door. The length is 900 millimeters. The depth is 600 millimeters. The height is 700 millimeters. The length, width and height of the antechamber are all 240 millimeters. The size of the side door is 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters. You can put the instruments into the box through the side door. The smaller items can be translated through the antechamber. And what are the differences between Tongrun's acrylic glove box and glove boxes from other brands? Acrylic sheets of Torun are all made of imported acrylic sheets. The craftsmanship is more advanced. The thickness of our side door is about 10 millimeters. The thickness is relatively thick. Then open the side door. You can see that the side door slots are all precision machined. The sealing performance is very good. Now we can put the instruments into the box through the side door. Close the side door. When you get our acrylic glove box, the first step is to wear the gloves. Then open the inner door of the antechamber. This is a gas inlet valve. This is the gas outlet valve. The gas inlet valve connects to the gas cylinder. Nitrogen, argon or other gas you required. The gas outlet valve connects to the ventilation hood. Open the gas inlet valve. Pretend to connect to the nitrogen gas. Inflate nitrogen into the box. About 15 minutes later, close the gas inlet valve. Gas replacement is complete. If you need it is more advanced, inflate the gas about 30 minutes. If you think this operation is too complicated, you can also choose some other optional accessories, such as a humidity controller, pressure controller, oxygen display, oxygen control and other accessories. Now let's close the inner door. There is a power supply inside the main chamber. If some instruments require power to be used, then we can plug in the power socket to operate it, and then we can start operation. If you want to add some experimental items halfway, you can translate them through the antechamber. Open the outer door. Put the items we need into the antechamber. Be sure that the inner hatch is closed at this time. There is a pressure vacuum gauge on the top of the antechamber. You can see that the pointer now at 0. This is the gas inlet valve of the antechamber, and the gas outlet valve. The gas outlet valve of the antechamber is connected to a vacuum pump. The gas inlet valve is connected to gas cylinder. Now let's open the gas outlet valve first. Turn on our vacuum pump. The pointer will point to -0.1 after vacuuming. Then close the gas outlet valve and open the gas inlet valve. Inflate nitrogen or other gas until the pointer back to 0. Then close the gas inlet valve. Repeat this operation about 3 or 5 times. The antechamber has completed vacuuming. Now open the inner door. Take out the items from the antechamber to the main chamber. Close the inner door. This is the entire operation process of the Type B glove box.